All right, sorry. I love using my iPhone. This is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses, part 2. I love using my iPhone for these videos. However, when people call, I get interrupted. So let's go back. So I want to talk about this thing because, people were scared to death of this house because we had mold all in these walls, not in the walls, but on the walls. There's surface mold because the lady had stuff stacked up against the wall and the wall couldn't breathe. So it was collecting moisture because there was no ventilation in here. There was no air conditioning, which there is now. So it just caused all this stagnant, moist air to collect mold. So we just came in here with some bleached the shit out of it. Pardon my French. Bleached the crap out of it. Man, this is a YouTube video. Just gotta stop that. We bleached it well, okay? And then we scrubbed it down and we cleaned it down. And there's no more mold. So for a couple $100 and $20 in bleach and a spray bottle, we now have a habitable house that people would have been scared to death over. What's my point? My point is this is a house, right? This is not some overwhelming thing. And I see this all the time where people get stuck on the smallest things and they, eliminate these deals, based off of things that are easily fixable. So, as you guys follow along with my channel and the ones who are fortunate enough to buy my houses, the ones that I don't fix and flip myself, look at that. Huh? That's beautiful, right? The ones that I don't fix and flip myself, the ones, that I wholesale to people, if y'all are fortunate enough to buy my houses, I give you this information for free. I'm here to help. I'm here to help everybody grow and everybody make money. And most importantly, I'm here to help people, get into a nice home, an affordable, clean, comfortable, safe home. And that's the whole point. That's why we do what we do. We do it because we're here to provide homes for people. We're not here to become millionaires off of people. We're here to become successful and wealthy because of people and because we help people. So we help them get up and we get up as well. So everything works, everything works. So we got this little closet thing in here. We got everything working in this house, everything. So, except for that, I hadn't finished that part yet. That's, is what it is. So this house is awesome. I want to show you guys the garage real quick before we go. And I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of your day. But, listen, if you guys want houses in the Richmond area and South Richmond area, that's what we do. We buy them and we sell them. And we sell them to people to finish them. We sell them to people so the panel had already been upgraded. Okay, so we sell them to people so they can, that's the pipe boot problem. See, look, it's a pipe boot. How long did that pipe boot fail in order to cause this problem? How long? Right? It's disgusting that people will let small problems become larger problems. And that's what people do, right? So got blackberry bushes, so you guys can come in the springtime, pick blackberries, have what you want. They're delicious. That's how long I've been dealing with this house. I was picking blackberries when I was buying this house, and it's now November 17th, and I'm still messing with this house. Look at the size of this garage. All right, hold on, let me stand back so you guys can see. Look at that, 1 car, 2 car, and 5 motorcycles, right? It's crazy. All right, this is Forrest Buys Houses. I buy them all the time. Let me buy one for you or from you. Let me help you out of your problem or help you find a flip. All right? Take care. God bless. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, and we'll talk soon. Bye.